The question is, study carefully the food chains given below. Food chain 1, grass, grasshopper, frog. Food chain 2, wheat, rat, snake, hawk. To which of the two consumers, frog or hawk, will more energy be available and why? So here we'll be using the 10% law, according to which frogs are going to be having more energy available as compared to hawk. The reason behind this is that in a food chain, energy transfer is not 100% efficient, but only 10% of the energy from one trophic level could be transferred to the next trophic level, and this is known as the 10% rule. And as we move up in the food chain, the amount of available energy decreases significantly. So in this case we can see that here we have only 3 trophic level, but in second food chain we are going to have 4 trophic level, because of which the energy available in the second food chain is going to be very less, whereas the amount of energy available in the first food chain for the frog is going to be comparatively more than that available for hawk. So here we can see in the case of food chain 1, we have 3 trophic level. Grass is the producer and has most of the energy. Grasshopper, being primary consumer, gets about 10% of energy from the grass, and frog, being secondary consumer, gets about 10% energy from the grasshopper. After that, in the case of food chain 2, we can see wheat is the producer and has most energy. Rat, being primary consumer, gets about 10% of energy from the wheat. Snake, being secondary consumer, gets about 10% energy from rat, and hawk, being tertiary consumer, gets about 10% energy from the snake. So we can see that in food chain 1, grass is at the first trophic level, grasshopper at the second trophic level, and frog is at the third trophic level. Whereas in food chain 2, wheat is at the first trophic level, rat is at the second, snake is at the third, and hawk is at the fourth trophic level. So we know that hawk is at the higher trophic level in food chain 2 as compared to the frog in the food chain 1. So it has undergone many energy transfer, and thus it has less energy available. Therefore, frog will have more energy available as compared to the hawk.